Hey, hi guys, Tokyo Man here with a video. Today we do an unboxing of the CRG brake and clutch levers I had ordered for my Ducati Monster 400 IE. The part I ordered for it is for a Ducati Monster 620. It's the same bike, so it will fit no problem. So I've been waiting almost 2 months for those levers. Originally I had ordered the CRG black levers, which is kind of like the entry-level CRG levers. They're the least expensive ones. They're pretty nice looking, but they're $74.95 each. And I ordered that back in middle of May, and I waited a month and I haven't received anything. So I emailed CRG 3 times until I get a response. And it told me, finally they told me that the levers I had ordered were back ordered. So I was a little bit disappointed why they waited so long to tell me, and I had to push them 3 times with the emails to find out what's going on with my order. But I really appreciate these guys to make it right for me. They offered me the RC2 levers, which is a kind of racetrack level high quality levers, like really a big step up from the basic one I had ordered, and it gave me 20% off for the purchase price of those levers, and they also gave me free shipping. So they worked out to be just maybe $10 more from the cost of the original one I had ordered. But you know, what you get is like way more quality and you know, nicer lever than the standard entry-level ones. So today this is what we're going to open, and at the same time I want to also mention about why I bought CRG levers and I did not go for the $50 cheap eBay ones. So we'll go into that in a second. So first of all, this is the envelope that the levers came in. So just standard bubble envelope, so you know, nothing's mentioned here. So I'll put down the side. And the levers came in 2 boxes, so one for each clutch and brake levers. So you order them separately, so it's kind of obvious that they will come in separate boxes, right? So have a look here. So I got the number for the levers here, 2AB511B. So this is for a Ducati Monster 620, 800, 900, 695, 696, and I know for sure for the 400 as well. So stick on top, and here I ordered the black levers standard length. I just didn't feel the need to buy the shorty one. I know it's cooler and all, but you know, I like the normal length levers. So here it is. So same thing pretty much with the other box, just a different part number because it's, you know, a different lever, different side. But here it is. So this is the box, pretty standard. It's sealed. I cut it open already, make it easy to open. So 2 boxes. Let's open it up. Let's open this one here. All right. So in the box, we are greeted with a CRG sticker and some lever fitment warning. So check this up. Pause the video if you want to read it, but there it is. I'll read through that later. All the important stuff. And in the black paper thing, you got the actual lever. So this is the clutch side, and I'm very impressed with how this looks. Feels really light, but it feels solid. Yeah, it looks cool. So putting these levers on my bike, that's gonna remove all the signs that the bike was ever dropped, so that's pretty awesome. So this is like the cherry on top of the sundae kind of thing, you know, the last thing to put on the bike to make it look mint again. So I really like it. So it's adjustable, you know, and it clicks. So yeah, it really feels solid and feels really really high quality. So can't wait to have these on. And nice thing about this, if you do drop the bike again, if it does get damaged, you can just replace the plastic tip of the lever, and you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money to get a new one. So that's pretty nice touch. So here it is. So black levers with the red wheel. So pretty nice. And let's open the other box. Kind of same deal, just for the brake, the sticker, the same letter, and it's the brake side of it, looking just as awesome. So very, very nice. So I'll do a walk around the bike when everything is fitted to it. It's almost done. So once these are on, I'll do a walk around and also update you on how I feel about those levers over the stock ones. And worth to mention, the stock levers on the Ducati Monster, they're made by Brembo, so they're not bad. They're pretty good too, but they're showing their age. So there it is, the CRG RC2 brake and clutch levers for the Ducati Monster 620, and my case for the 400 IE. So pretty nice. So now, why I spend all this money on these levers and I didn't go for the cheap Chinese one on eBay. So I did a lot of research. I was looking at eBay, of course, and the cheap levers, they do look pretty good. You know, price is very cheap, shipping is usually free as well, you know, and it looks really, really tempting, right? And some have the nice Ducati logo, you know, printed onto it, and it looks pretty nice, right? But after digging deeper, doing a lot of research on the internet and reading a lot of reviews, it's kind of a mixed bag, you know. Like, half of people are really happy with them, and the other half is having a lot of problems, you know, like the brakes are sticking and clutch is not engaging properly. And you know, something as important, especially on the brake side, as you know, brakes is probably the most important thing you have on a bike, you know. So it's a matter of life or death here, and I just went for these without even bothering trying the cheap Chinese one, because I don't even want to know if it's good or bad. I need to know right away that it's good. And CRG, I look at the reviews on the internet, of course. I did my research. I compared these against the ASV one. That was my second choice, and I favored these. Reviews are really good. Everybody loves them, and I think you get a little more for your money with these than the ASV levers, in my opinion. So this is my take on these levers, what I think about it. You know, I just go straight for the good quality stuff, and I think, you know, in the long run, it'll be all worth it, and it looks really, really good. So yeah, if you buy Chinese levers, you know, you can let me know in the comments, like if you're really happy with them, if you had problems, you know, if you regret buying them or not. But yeah, for me, I just went straight for the good quality stuff, and you know, I don't want to risk my life or risk hurting someone because I put some shitty levers on my bike, right? So I did put some cheap Chinese eBay stuff on my bike, but it's nothing that, you know, will be life-threatening if it fails. So like I put the bar end mirrors that from eBay, $15, and they work great, you know, little things like that. But things that, you know, are mechanical and might fail and might hurt you, and you know, you want to go straight to the good stuff. That's my opinion. So anyways, that's my take on Chinese levers and my new lovely CRG RC2 levers. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please support me, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting a lot more new stuff more frequently. And also, I got some exciting news. I got some upgrades for my vlogging equipment, for my helmet cam and stuff like that. So yeah, things will go up and up and up from now on. So please subscribe and support me, and I really appreciate you guys watching. And leave a comment, you know, suggestion, opinion, ideas, and I'll read them all. So again, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.